and welcome to the Mathly YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
A point on the hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle divides the hypotenuse into segments of length 2 and 5. Segments meeting at that point and parallel to the sides of the triangle partition the triangle into two triangles and a rectangle as shown. What is the area of the rectangle? So the most important thing we're given in order to do this problem fast is the fact that we're given a big isosceles right triangle, which means that this right triangle has a 90-degree angle. And since it's isosceles, these two sides are equivalent, meaning that these two angles are equivalent. And so since a triangle has the total angle measure of 180 degrees, all three angles, and this one's 90 degrees, these two must mean that they are 45 degrees. And similarly, since this is a rectangle, this is also right angle, 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 which means that this angle is also 45 degrees, and this is also 45 degrees. Which means that these two smaller isosceles right triangles, these two right triangles are also isosceles. And so since this hypotenuse of this smaller right triangle is 2, this side lengths, each of these side lengths are √2/2. This is √2/2. Same thing here. This is, since the hypotenuse of this bigger right triangle is 5, the sides are 5√2 each. And since these side lengths on the smaller right triangle and the bigger right triangle all correspond to the rectangle, and we seek to find the area of this is simply 2√2 times 5√2, which is 10/2, which is 5. And that's answer choice D, and we're done.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.